हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम रिया। आज की वीडियो में हम इंग्लिश बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। स्क्रीन पर दो कलर्स दिखाई देंगे। ब्लू लाइन मेरी होगी और ग्रीन लाइन आपकी। जब भी मैं ब्लू लाइन बोलूंगी आप ध्यान से सुनना, और जब ग्रीन लाइन आए वीडियो को पॉज किए बिना उस लाइन को जोर से बोलना। सिर्फ सुनना नहीं है, आपको मेरे साथ बोलना भी है। चाहे आप गलती करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आज का गोल परफेक्ट इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं है, आज का गोल इंग्लिश बोलने की हैबिट बनाना है। तो तैयार हो? स्पीक लाउडली, स्पीक कॉन्फिडेंटली एंड लेट्स प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश टुगेदर। ग्रेट! Today is going to be a little different. Today we are not just practicing English, we are going on an exciting adventure today. Imagine that you and I are best friends, and this morning something very unusual happened. While cleaning my grandfather's room, I found an old wooden box. Inside that box, there was a mysterious map, and I think it might lead to a hidden treasure. But I can't solve this mystery alone. I need your help. So throughout this adventure, answer the green lines loudly and confidently. Are you ready to help me find the treasure? Let's begin our adventure. Hey, I need to show you something very important. This morning, I found an old map hidden inside a wooden box in my grandfather's room. I'm not completely sure, but I think it might be a treasure map. Yes, look at these strange symbols and notes written on the paper. According to the map, there is a hidden treasure somewhere near an abandoned house outside the town. I don't know, but I think it's worth investigating. Before we leave, let's study the map carefully. We don't want to get lost. The first clue says walk towards the oldest tree and look for the mark of a golden bird. Maybe it's not a real bird. It could be a symbol carved into a tree. Look over there. Do you see that loose tree? You are right. It looked exactly like a bird. Wait, there is a small note hidden behind the tree. It says the next clue is where water once flowed but no longer does. I think you are right. Let's follow the map. We have been walking for quite a while. Wait a minute. The map shows two different paths. One path goes into forest and the other leads towards the hills. Let's think carefully. The map has a small drawing of a bridge near the forest path. Good idea. Let's try that route. Don't worry, stay close to me. You are right. Let's check it out. And there is a note inside. It says, those who rush will fail, those who observe will succeed. Yes, we should pay attention to every detail. That's strange. The map said the river was dry. I think you are right. Let's go back. Alright, let's take the heel path instead. Perfect. That means we are finally on the right path. It says the treasure belongs to those who work together. According to the map, we need to find 3 large stones arranged in the circle. You are right. Let's go. Look closely. One of the stones has a symbol on it. Maybe we need to find a key. Hold on. I found a small rusty key under some leaves. Look over there. Do you see that wooden chest? Let's try the key. Not 8. Wait. I think the key opens a hidden compartment. Yes, there is another note inside. It says the final treasure lies where the sun touches the tallest stone at sunset. Let's wait and watch carefully. Look, the sunlight is pointing directly towards the giant stone. Wait, I think I see something buried in the ground. I found a wooden chest. Alright, here we go. This is unbelievable. The chest is filled with the gold coins and ancient treasures. I can't believe our adventure was successful. Mine too. But do you know something? The real treasure wasn't the gold. The real treasure was the adventure, the teamwork, and the memories we created together. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Every great adventure begins with curiosity. See you on our next adventure. Amazing! We finally completed our treasure hunt adventure. I hope you enjoyed practicing English with this story. Remember, English is not about perfection. It is about practice and consistency. The more you speak, the more fluent you become. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to follow for more English practice. Like this video if you want more stories like this, and don't forget to comment, I completed the treasure hunt. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.